8, 9, 10. Aha, Decathlonat sale. Let's go.
हॅलो पीपल, ऐकाय आमचे सगळ्यांचे फेवरेट Decathlon Goa is turning 49 this year and the best part is they have got some amazing offers. Starting from the scooters, skates, jackets, shoes, cycles, stands and much more जायते productsचे तुमक मेळटलो nearly 60% off. आणि इतले न्हू बाबा, it does not end there. On this fitness gears you can get up till ₹5,000 का cashback कास्ता हा न्हू.
And guys, तुम साय चला है तेंगे लाइव डेमोस देखूं या दाखवय तुमका. काय सचिन केंटा लाइव डेमो चलता.
And to add to the fun thing, असले fun activities जोई तुम मेटले बरे attractive prices. तोर कोणा रावताय तुम्ही बेगी shoot to Kalangut, Mike Pike, बावबणी सगळ्या घेनो साय because the sale is going live soon.
All this only at Decathlon.